Hello dears, in this session we are going to discuss about the basic components of climatology, that is the layered structure of atmosphere. Atmosphere, the word derived from the Greek word that is atmos and spirea. The word atmos means vapor and the spirea means sphere or the globe. So the atmosphere is a mixture of numerous gases surrounding the earth's surface. There are so many essential functions for the atmosphere, that is enable life, regulating temperature, shield from the harmful solar radiation, enable weather and climatic systems, support the communications and the space exploration. That are the major essential functions. The atmosphere is divided into major 5 spheres, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The lower parts of the atmosphere is troposphere, that is lies in 80 to 40 kilometers from the earth's surface. It contains 75% of the atmospheric masses. All weather phenomena are occur in this sphere. Temperature decreases with the increasing altitude. The air never remains static in this layer. So in this layer is also known as changing sphere. The thickness of the troposphere is different in different regions of the world. The maximum thickness of the troposphere at equator, there are so many reasons behind that. The maximum insulation received in equator region and the air is less dense in equator region. These are the major reasons. And the minimum thickness of the troposphere is at polar region. There is a transition boundary zone that is known as tropopause that separate troposphere and the next layer is stratosphere, that is just above the troposphere up to 50 kilometers from the earth's surface. In this layer contain ozone, so this layer is also known as ozonosphere. Then the temperature increases with altitude. It is the ideal for the jet aircraft. This layer is very dry as it is contain little water vapor. Stratopause is separate the next layer, mesosphere. This layer is mesosphere that extend up to 50 km to 85 km from the earth's surface. This is the coldest layer. So the temperature is decreases with the altitude. So the burns of meteors entering the earth's atmosphere. The upper limit of the mesosphere is known as mesopause. Mesopause separate mesosphere and the next layer thermosphere. The next layer is thermosphere. The thermosphere extended from 85 km to 600 km from the earth's surface. The temperature is increases with the altitude. The lower thermosphere is known as ionosphere. The ionosphere is enabled for the radio communication. The next layer is exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere which extended from 600 km to 10,000 km from the earth's surface, and the exosphere is very thin layer because of the hydrogen and helium is the major components of exosphere. And the another features of exosphere are gradually transitions into the outer space and satellites orbits in this region. In this slide we can show the comparisons of these 5 layers. Then first one is troposphere. The height of the troposphere is 10 to 50 km. The key features are weather and life sustaining gases. Then second layer is stratosphere, that's situated in 50 km and the major feature is ozone layer and the UV absorption. Then the third layer is mesosphere. Mesosphere extended up to 50 to 85 km and this is the coldest layer. Then thermosphere is 85 to 600 km. This is the highest temperature. Then the last layer is exosphere. This is the uppermost layer, 600 to 10,000 km, that is transition to space. We want to discuss about the transitional boundaries of the atmosphere. The transitional boundaries within the Earth atmosphere is known as poses. there are three major poses, that is tropopause, stratopause and mesopause. The first one is tropopause. The tropopause is the transitional boundary between troposphere and stratosphere. This is the tropopause pose. The next pose is stratopause. The stratopause is a transitional boundary between stratosphere and mesosphere, that is known as stratopause. The next pose is mesopause. Mesopause is the transitional boundary between mesosphere and the thermosphere. It is known as mesopause. Moving to the conclusion session, the atmosphere is a mixture of numerous gases that is surrounding the Earth's surface, and it is very essential for the life supporting. And there are 5 layers of atmosphere, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. And there is 3 transitional boundaries, that is tropopause, stratopause and mesopause. That's enough, and thank you all.